Hello traders, Bash the Trader here. So in this video I'm going to be giving you guys an update on the Bitcoin price as well as the Ethereum price. All right, so first of all, this video is going to be into two parts, right? The first part is going to talk about the Bitcoin price, while the second part is going to talk about the Ethereum and one other cryptocurrency called Solana, right? I know a lot of people don't know about Solana, but it's a cryptocurrency that is that has the potential to to grow big, right? As you guys can see, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is the father of all cryptocurrencies, right? Is the biggest cryptocurrency market in the world, right? So Bitcoin is going to be a standalone video, while Ethereum USD and the Solana USD, I'm just gonna combine them together. All right, so let's dive deep into it. So now what we can see on my screen right now is the Bitcoin price. All right, so if you have been following my channel or my analysis from 2022, January 2022, all right, if you have been following my analysis on my Telegram channel, right, you would have realized that my analysis on the cryptocurrency markets is always top notch, right? Always top notch. I never miss, right? I never miss. I always give my prediction, I always give my bias, and the market goes my way almost all the time on cryptocurrency market. That's why I'm very good with trading cryptocurrencies. I rarely miss. It's not that I don't have my losses on them. I do, but it's in a rare case. When you put it on a scale of 1 to 10, you see probably I'll have 8 wins and I'll just have 2 losses. So that's how it is, right? So what we can see on my screen is the Bitcoin price. So back in January January 2022. So if you are not a part of my Telegram group, right, let me pull up my Telegram group. So if you are not a part of Bash the Trader, make sure you join, right? This is the link to join my Telegram trading channel. So if you want to keep up with my updates, if you want to keep up with my analysis on the cryptocurrency market and the entire forex market in general, you can click this link, copy this link, or however, just join, right? Bash the Trader, right? That's the name. It's very easy. So I also have a crypto channel. I'll put the link down in the video. So what we can see here, right? If you look at my Telegram channel, this is like my journal page, right? This is where I journal my trades, my setups, my bias, everything, my opinion, my views, everything, all about the cryptocurrency market, the financial market in general, right? So as you guys can see, look at the dates. So this was January 3rd, 2022, right? So I posted a chart setup in my Telegram channel talking about the direction of the Bitcoin, right? When we started to have the bears take over the bulls, right? You can see that I said this is likely to happen on the Bitcoin, but at the same time, I might be wrong. This is not a financial advice for action, right? It was just an idea that could be affected by a different number of fundamental factors, right? So this was my markup in January 2022. You can see the date right here, right? You can see that we had a very huge breakout on the Bitcoin price, right? And then we had a slight sell-off, right? Then market retraced and corrected all that sell-off, right? And created a new high. Once that new high was created, we started to see a very big drop happen, right? You can see this is the 1 month time frame, by the way. So now let's look at my updates. I came back here and I gave an update recently that it still looks promising. Let me try to find the updates. I just need the update here. Yeah, you can see. And then I came and said setup still looks promising. I get an update in January, right? Towards the end of January. And then exactly what I said happening on the Bitcoin analysis, we need to see reaction on 32K mark level. And you can see how all my analysis is very hacked. Like everything is hacked. It's detailed, well detailed. You can see, right? On the Bitcoin analysis, we need to see reaction on 32K mark level before we determine if price will be heading for 20K, right? You can see it's crazy. Now look at this. I gave an update, Bitcoin to 20K. Let me see. You can see plus 10,000 drop, right? Plus 10,000 drop from when I initially sent it. So I gave an update all the way, and my target was around this 19K price level. Guys, check this chart out and look at this on Telegram. Let's go to Telegram. So look at this, guys. You can see that it's the same markup, right? You can see I just added a few key levels, right? You can see it's the same markup, you can see that price got to my target around 19k, right? It showed reaction, a little bit of reaction, and then they slammed back down to what, to 15k price level, and from there we had a very huge move, right, on the Bitcoin price from 15k price level all the way from November last year, right, all the way to what, to 26,000, right? That's a very massive increase right there. So if you, let's go to my Telegram channel, and I want to show you guys where I give update on the Bitcoin price when the bull started to take over. I gave an update. I'm not really sure of the date. Let's see. You can see updates, right? That's why you really need to be a part of my Telegram channel, right? If you don't want to miss out on any, and also you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on updates, because I'm strictly going to be giving updates on YouTube. So you have to watch my YouTube videos in order to, you know, see the analysis. So let me, what date is this? Okay, this was August. I was monitoring the price at that point in time. This was November. I was giving updates on my YouTube channel. You know, I give all of these things. All of the updates were predicted, and everything is occurring as I predicted it, right? Everything is occurring as I predicted it. So look at it, guys. I give an update. I said updates on the Bitcoin price will observe the formation of a range between price levels 17,200 and 1800, right? 18,000. If it holds up well enough, we anticipate seeing a reaction from this price level. Otherwise, right? Otherwise, we might be open for a decline to 15,500 price level before making large buying, and that's exactly what happened, guys. This is absolutely insane. You know, check when I posted this, right? November 9th, right? You can see. And then let's go back to the price chart now, guys. Check this out. 15,000. Look at it. Check this out. 500, exactly as I predicted, guys. This is not, it's not rocket science, man. You know, look at it, man. Like, it's all planned, right? You know. So basically, I followed the fourth point of the big financial institutions in the market. That's just it. The strategy is very simple, right? You know, you just gotta know what to do. You know, you gotta be very smart. So you can see what's going on, right? You can see exactly as I predicted. There was a very massive large buying action going on. You can see, right? So let's go back to my Telegram channel. Let's see. Okay, this will make Bitcoin go. Let's see. This was all. You can see Bitcoin hit 15,500 price level, watching for some significant buy reactions, right? You gotta take this thing serious, man. You know, you gotta take it serious. Remember when I said Bitcoin was going to see some significant reaction from this price level? Yep, it sure did, and everything was well forecasted. Some people said, nah, the Bitcoin price was heading to 10k, right? You know, I've seen a lot of people, you know, talking about the Bitcoin heading to 10k price level. I'm like, nah, the Bitcoin can't go all the way up like this and then sell all the way back down to 10k. Nah, it's not gonna happen yet. It's not ready for that move yet, right? That's too much of bears. That's too much of bears, right? You can see even whilst we had the bearish year, right, we still had some bulls, you know, we still had some bullish candlestick right there. You can see. So let me go back to my Telegram channel, right? So yeah, so you see what I said. I posted updates, you know. I keep posting updates, so just keep up with my channel, right? Let's go to the business of today, right? So let's look at where Bitcoin is headed, right? Let's see where the Bitcoin price is going to. So we're going to start with the smaller time frame, right? So actually, let's start with the daily time frame. Let's try to understand what's going on, right? So you guys can see that from here last week, I guess, or last 3 weeks ago, right? February 20, we started to see a drop on the Bitcoin price all the way to what? All the way to 19,600, right? And it took about 18 days, right? You can see that's almost 3 weeks, right, for the selling action to occur. And then the price came back down to its lowest level and it started to buy within 3 days, guys. Within 3 days, we had a very huge move. Had a very huge move within 3 days from here to here. You can see to break this all to break this high, this swing high that was recently created. You can see how the price smashed through. This happened yesterday, right? The breakout happened yesterday, and I was saying it that the Bitcoin is heading to what, 28,000 price level. So what we can see right now, what is going on in the market is a slight correction, right, which is expected, right? This correction is expected, right? If Bitcoin was to keep pushing high, right, it needs correction, right? It needs a balance of demand and supply, right? There needs to be a balance, right? We can't just have bulls in the market or bears in the market all the time. No, that's why the market moves what, in a zigzag manner like this, right? That's why you see selling action, we see buying action going on. So that's just the fundamental law guiding the financial market. So what we can see, right, you can see that is a huge breakout on the Bitcoin price from here to here to 26k, right? So this slight correction is meant to happen, right? So over the next few days, what I'm expecting is just consolidation, basically, because we had so much volume in the market in just 3 days or 4 days thereabout. So much volume, right? So we expect that the Bitcoin price is right now going to be consolidating for a while, right? What we're just likely to be seeing is just up down movement, and then we see the continuation, right? There's no selling action. There's no selling. I mean, there are no bears in the market at this period, right? We don't expect the bears to take over the market at this period. It's always gonna be the bulls, right? Even though we're gonna be seeing some, slight correction here and there, it's the bulls are still much more in control, right? So what we can see now is that this consolidation will start happening, and then we see a breakout, right? I'm expecting the Bitcoin price to get to this price level here. So let me just mark it up. So I already have it marked up. So these lines here, you can see these lines, this space that I have here, this 28k price level and 30k price level. So this is where the Bitcoin is heading to, right? You can see there's a run already happening, right? There's a run going on. So we are expecting that run. You can see we have the buys, we have the sell, we have the buys, we have the sell. Now we have the buys, then we have the slight correction, consolidation like this, and then we expect the price to keep shooting up. So this is my prediction for the Bitcoin. So right now, if you know you want to invest in the Bitcoin, right, you can take some entries, but be mindful of risk management, right? I'm not a financial advisor, but you are the one that will decide on your risk and all of that. So we are expecting the Bitcoin price to get to 30k price level. It's gonna take a little bit of time. It's not just gonna run off to 30k like that. Nah. Market doesn't move that way, right? But eventually it's gonna get there. It's just all about the patience, right? All about the patience, basically. So we are expecting the Bitcoin price to head to 30k price level, right? That's where we're expecting. This is a very significant level, right? It's a very, very significant level. So and then over the course of the next few years, we're expecting the Bitcoin to break all-time highs. The Bitcoin is going back up, right, to this all-time high, 70k, 69k, right, or 68k, whichever. The Bitcoin is going to 100k. So you guys see how Bitcoin is going to be very, very highly valuable. Imagine one Bitcoin equals what, $100,000. That's going to be massive, and this is the best time to invest in the Bitcoin price, right? This is the best time to invest in it. I'm not even gonna lie to you, this is gonna be the best time to invest in the crypto space, right? Because by the time we're gonna be seeing these huge moves happening, right, imagine the next 5 years or next 10 years or next 7 years, the Bitcoin is trading at $100,000 or more. That's gonna be insane. Which means if you had gotten in at a very early stage, you would be able to hold for that long, right? You'll be able to hold for that long, if you are a crypto lover, if you like to invest in Bitcoin, right? But if you don't like to invest in Bitcoin, you can trade other currencies as well. There are forex pairs. You can trade your currencies day and out, intraday. Look for some intraday setups, make your money and get out, right? But when it comes to crypto, you gotta be very, very patient, right? You gotta be patient. So all right, guys, let me just go to the 1 hour and see what's going on, or let's look at the 2 hour and see what's going on the Bitcoin price, right? You can see, guys, we had all this selling action, sells all the way down here, all the way, and then boom, we have the bulls taking over. Boom, the bulls are killing all the bears. They killed all the bears. Actually, they killed all the bears, right? You can see what's going on, right? Breakout, huge candlesticks everywhere, huge candlesticks, right? This is one here, one candlestick here, one candle, another one, another candle. So yeah, the bulls are in the market, right? So we're not going to be looking for sales at this point, right? Because if you try to look for sales, you're going to be trapped, yeah, you know. So all right, so guys, so that's gonna be it for Bitcoin. And make sure you like, make sure you comment and subscribe. So I'm gonna move on to the next video, which is the Ethereum USD price, right? So we're gonna see where Ethereum is heading and also look at Solana as well, right? All right, guys, peace out.